wee little update here during the lunch break of round 3 of the New Zealand Premier Motorsport Series, coming to you from Hampton Downs. So far this morning, it's basically been practice and qualifying for a couple of the categories. Practice for the V8 touring cars. They're going to go out in about 10 minutes' time. I can tell you the results so far of practice. Richard Moore, who has returned to the V8 fray, now called sort of M1 Motorsport from M3, then M2, now M1. He was quickest, although I haven't been able to check with him because he's also been running in the V8 Utes, but he probably had a set of green tyres. I'll find more out and bring that to you later, because he was 0.1 of a second up on Simon Evans, second quickest in practice. Angus Fogg in third, and I've got some news on him. Jason Bargwanna is fourth, Tim Edgell 5. Tom Alexander, who is the current Toyota 86 champion, was sixth fastest. Nick Ross in the Altima was 7. Bryce Fullwood, the young Australian chap, is 8th quickest. Mitch Cunningham in 9, and Lance Hughes was 10. Of course, he is in the other machinery. Richard Moore, so he is the fastest at this stage. Now, their qualifying is in about 10 minutes' time. On to the V8 Utes, because this is their final round of the season. And just a wee note, next year, in the 2016 calendar, the V8 Utes are only going to be running 3 rounds at the beginning of the year, January through to March. 3 rounds, that's their season. Very short. That's to get it back in tune with the Premier Series, so that when that restarts again, this time next year, the V8 Utes will be on the same round. So this is their final round, and it's between Sam Barry and Brett Rudd, as we all know, because that has been fairly popular in the news lately. But during their qualifying session, a few shocks and a few surprises. Matthew Spratt, who is roughly 4th in the championship, was fastest. He will be on pole position. Richard Moore, here he is again, came out in a machine he's never driven before and immediately bangs himself on the front row alongside Matthew Spratt. Peter Ward, who is not running for a championship glory, got himself into 3rd quickest. Sam Barry, the guy leading the championship, is in 4th. He'll start on the 2nd row. Chris Walton from Australia, who is just a machine, an absolute driving machine when it comes to a V8 Ute, surprisingly down in 5th spot. Glenn Collinson in 6th. James Urquhart in 7th, but here is the shocker. Didn't really expect this to be so far down. Brett the Scud Rudd back down in 8th position in qualifying, not where he needed to be if he wants to get those special points up on Sam Barry. So that is basically the deal here at the moment. It's lunchtime at Hampton Downs. Qualifying in the V8 touring cars coming up very soon between, well, as we know, the TLX and the STs Class 1 and the old TLs Class 2. More soon.